82% of people are making $0 with affiliate marketing. 19% are making only $1 to $100 per month, which is very less. Only 5% of people making good amount of money, $5,000 to $100,000 per month. These are the result of a public survey that happened. Have you ever wondered why 95% of people fail in affiliate marketing? Because they follow a wrong model. I am going to show you a right model with conversion rate of 15 to 25%. Before that, you must know about the wrong models so that you know what you don't need to follow. What most of the people are doing, they just go to ClickBank, pick up product, grab their affiliate link and start promoting it. They send traffic directly to their affiliate links and then they're praying and hoping to make commissions. If they're lucky, they get 1% conversion rate, one sale out of 100 people. They are not going to get any other commission even when that customer buys any other product from that company in the future, because they don't allow people to tap into their ecosystem. It's a completely failed model. If you are following this model, you are wasting your money, you are losing your money. There is another wrong model, that is funnel model, taught by all the gurus out there in the market. Maybe you are also following this wrong model. You are struggling to get your first sale. So you should definitely know what's the problem with this model. They told you to build a landing page and then send traffic to that landing page and build your email list. Maybe 20% people opt in your list and then sell to your list. Everybody is teaching this model. Then what's the problem? I ask you a question. If you are into somebody's list and he continuously slamming you with the products and offers to buy again and again, over and over, what you are going to do? You are going to ignore those emails or you just unsubscribe them. That happens with you also when you follow this same model. Nobody is going to open your emails. Your email list become dead. You are not going to make money. It become a closed loop of failure. So what is the solution? Solution is to follow right business model, and the right business model is $1 million hub model that no one is teaching. If you follow this model, then money gonna flows to you like water flows down. Before I tell you about this $1 million hub model, I want to tell you a secret that help you to sell without selling. If you missed this part, then it's your loss. So people don't buy products, they buy results, solutions, outcomes, identities and feeling. Why people pays $400,000, $500,000 to buy a luxury car, to buy a lavish home? Does they really just want that car? No. They are buying feelings, they are buying emotions. Now I am going to tell you about the hub model, how it's going to work. So people are not looking for products, they are looking for certain result. For example, if you want to make money online, you are not interested in just any course. You want a course that help you to make money online. You are interested into the results. So if you want people buy from you, always talk about the result, not about the product. So we are going to find products that deliver certain results. Also, at the end of this video, I will tell you how you can create your own hub on the internet. So in this model, we are going to send traffic to landing page to build our email list, because list is very important, and then we send those people to the sales system. Now instead of sending those people back to product, slamming them to buy again and again, I am going to create my own hub on the internet that nobody is teaching. I am not sending those people again back to the product because they have already seen that product. Maybe they are not necessarily interested into that product. What I'm going to do, I will email them and bring back those people to my hub on the internet. When people come to my hub, I can give value to them with the free content or send them back to sales system or to the multiple products that I am promoting. Also, I can create interesting content for them by collaborating with the successful entrepreneurs. Now, I have reason to email them to keep them engaged so that they look forward to my next email. This changes everything. Instead of getting 1 or 2% conversion rate with the other models, conversion rate become 15 to 25%, and this is a huge thing. Also, I can create multiple streams of income on my hub by collaborating with the multiple products. So with this system, you are going to sell without selling. Now, if you want to know how you can create your own hub, check out this video.